Hello, children. Today we are going to study Chapter 4 Gender Equality of your SST book. Here, the very first question is, what is gender equality? It is the vision that men and women should be treated equally in social, economic, and all other aspects of society and not to be discriminated against on the basis of their gender. In this chapter, we'll see several conversations between girl and a boy. There are two characters named Pooja and Rahul who are discussing their level of interest. Pooja is interested in football match and has decided to become a football player. Rahul is interested in cookery shows and loves to prepare new dishes. So here we see that sports has nothing to do only with boys and cooking has nothing to do only with girls. Both boys and girls are equally good at studies, in singing, drawing, and in sports. We also have the same level of intelligence and talent. The only difference is our gender. Gender only defines whether one is a boy or a girl. It does not affect our abilities. Later in the lesson, Pooja says about the division of work that earlier it would have been difficult for her to become a football player, as girls were not allowed even to go to school before. But she is glad that she can go to school and learn new things. And that's how she found out about her love for football. On this context, Rahul says that earlier girls had to stay at home and learn all the household works. Mother would take care of house and fathers would go to office, just as we can see in the picture below. Rahul learned about his interest in cooking after he helped his mother in kitchen. Kitchen is not place only for girls. Now, even fathers and sons cook food and help in washing and cleaning. So here we see that work is now equally divided among the family members. Each member knows their responsibilities and helps one another happily. We also see changes in gender roles. These days, we see a lot of women traffic cops. They look so smart in their uniform and do their job so well. Earlier, only men did this job. But there are also some professions like a truck driver where we still see very few women. Similarly, we do not see many men teachers in schools. Now, both men and women work as leaders of countries, soldiers, firefighters, teachers, actors, sportspersons, and many others. Our gender does not control our skills and abilities. Both boys and girls need to work hard to become successful in the profession of their choice. There are many Indians who have achieved success in different sports irrespective of their gender. Virat Kohli, the captain of Indian cricket team. PV Sindhu, a renowned badminton player. Mithali Raj, captain of women Indian cricket team. Shrikant Kidambi, a renowned badminton. MC Mary Kom, a woman boxer who has won the world championship 7 times. Their accomplishments shows that both boys and girls can achieve their desired goals if they work hard to hone up their skills. Now we see women working in many types of professions that they could not work in earlier. This shows that the world is changing in the way they look at girls. Now girls can go to schools and choose a profession of their own choice. The choices that a child makes should be respected and supported. He or she should not be stopped or disallowed just because he or she is a boy or a girl. Equal opportunity to education will make children responsible citizens of the nation. So, here we end up with this lesson. The things which we have learned through this lesson is that the ability to do something has got nothing to do with being a boy or a girl. That both men and women do the same work. We have learned to be able to do any job, one has to be capable. Each child is unique and is born with a keen sense of curiosity, so they should be encouraged to pursue things of their interest. And that equal opportunity to education and a good life will make children responsible citizens of the nation. This is all for today. Thank you, children.